I want to let you know that I have bad hair days too. You know what I'm saying? I got some dryness going on and I don't like it. Feel me? It ain't normally this damn dry. And I don't like it. It's irritating. Made me want to itch it. I fuck around, scratch it. I scratch my scalp off. What's good, people? Welcome back. I want to say I can pinpoint why it has gotten so dry. You know those itchy spells you can't not scratch? One of them, you know, all the way around the edges. All the way around the edges. Mostly in the front though. Yeah, you see it though, kind of. You can see that. Yeah, all that. Had to come in here and show y'all. You know what I'm saying? I be fucking up too. You feel me? Well, I didn't, but I be having spells. You feel me? Last time I got it done, like 3 weeks ago, right? It's been like 4-5 days, a week, 2 weeks since I took down the style, and a week since I made the last video, right? Yeah. Haven't been doing too much differently. I did catch a real bad itchy spell a couple days ago. This is the remnants of it. What I did was I took one of those combs with the pick teeth at the end of it. I just used that pick part and I just went to and I just started getting them flakes up out of there. You feel me? I just started getting them flakes up out of there. That went like that, you know what I'm saying? Just then I put some water on it and some Earl oil, but yeah, some Earl. And I was alright for a couple of days, but I'm going to wash today. I'm gonna wash it with the soapbox tea tree that I got, and then we're gonna moisturize and get rid of this shit here, right now. And that is what I'm gonna do to fix this problem. If you're having the same thing going on, I suggest, if you have the time, wash those locks, moisturize those locks with some oil or some type of moisturization that works for you. If you don't know what works for you, try something that you haven't tried that may work for you. You know, water-based products, natural oils, stuff like that. Stuff you know won't break you out. Because I know certain oils break out certain people or make, you know, certain things happen for certain people. You know, different reactions from different things for different people. So that's why you got to find out what works for you. Go to that, use that regimen, stay in your lane. That's what I'm about to do. I'm about to get back in my lane. As far as the process and what I feel like may have happened to cause this, we're looking at, it was like right before the drying process. Just finished with the retwist, right? She was about to do the drying, and there was some foam stuff that was put here. I'm not sure if that exactly is the problem, because I was looking at the middle and I don't have it as bad in the middle, but you know, you never know. Gotta go ask Bae, like, hey, what's in the middle of my head? You know what I'm saying? To go from there. But I feel like that stuff had caused a trigger reaction or something. You know, made it extra dry. You know, I don't know. Could have done that. May have done that. I feel like it did. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go back to my regimen and then see what I got from there. You know, see if I'm still extra dry. See if it's something that I done did. You feel me? Trial and error. I gotta go through it, but we gonna have to do it just to see what's going on. Cause right here, I'm gonna have to add some kind of fluid. You feel me? But I just want to come in here, march with it, and I'm about to get right today, not tonight. Gotta go wash it right now, because I don't want this right here to be everywhere. You feel me? Can you focus? I don't want that everywhere, you know. I'm gonna help myself. I'm gonna do it myself. So I'm gonna go hop in the shower and wash this shit out. I'm gonna grab that comb again, you feel me? And I'm gonna get that pick part. I'm all up in there. I'm all up in there. Getting all up in there, boy. Yeah. And as you can see, I do have the eczema So I mean, this ain't no just random dandruff. I do got eczemas, and they went and sprayed into my foreheads and all in my scalps. So that, you know, I got the eczemas. Ain't no lying about that. I got the eczemas. You know, it's just, it ain't normally this damn dry, and I don't like it. It's irritating. Made me want to itch it. I fuck around, scratch it. I scratch my scalp off. I want to scratch the scalp off. I want some clean, good, healthy scalps, you know. So I might have to put some water on this shit, and some shampoos and some oils to moisturize. You feel me? I'm gonna get right, and I will be back to show you the aftermath. Cause this shit ain't what the business is. Shit for the birds. But shit, yeah, I'm gonna fix this. I'll be back with y'all. Check in, let you know how it's going. You know what I'm saying? I ain't out here hair falling out, you feel me? My locks they ain't going nowhere, you feel me? I'm still, you know, in there to win there. But I just got some extra dryness going on. But until next time, I will be back with some clean locks. And I may have to do an ACV. We shall see. We shall see. But until next time, it's your boy, and I'm out.